everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the kit that I will be using this week from our shop, and I had another one planned, but you guys will see why I specifically chose this one. I'm also using these two washi, one from Brit & Co, I believe, and one from the Planner Society. And then these little stickers that I got from the Epcot shop, the one in Japan, which just has like a bunch of Sanrio and those kinds of characters, and it's just so cute. And so yeah, so I chose this kit because I had the lumberjack one planned because I didn't get to use it last year because I didn't finish filling in my Erin Condren. But my husband and I are looking into something very exciting, and I don't want to curse it, but you guys will see it in writing, so I just don't want to say it out loud because I don't want to curse it. I just want everything to go so well, and well, I think we'll know by the end of this week, like, all the details. So I'm just gonna keep it sort of hush-hush, except for, like, whatever in down, so you guys will see. But yeah, I decided to use a lot of this thin washi instead of, say, going with the bottom washi or even the glitter headers that all my kits come with. I didn't use a single sheet of the add-ons. I just wanted to see what it would look like do like a test page with just using washi and trying to, I don't know, create something different, because I feel like all my spreads end up looking the same. I love using kits, and I don't think I'll ever not use a kit. Maybe I'll vary it like 1 week every few months, but I love using kits. But this way I'm able to use some of the other planner supplies that I also have. So here I'm just I'm layering, I'm just putting washi everywhere. It makes it look just so cohesive. Like, you see the pink washi on the top and it's continued all the way down just like the gold one. And it actually goes so well with this kit. Like, the pinks are very similar, and then I have that like mustard color that goes well with the gold. So I was really happy with how it turned out. My sidebars, I really think all look the same. I always have like workout vitamins. Sometimes I'll vary it and put a skincare in there. Or I did leave out my currently reading because I'm not reading anything. I'm listening to some audiobooks, but I just haven't had a chance this week, or last week. I don't think I listened to one very much. And then this week, like, I just don't see myself sitting down and listening to one. I know the only thing that I must watch is The Bachelor. And then after that, I'm probably just gonna be working. Oh my god, and I've been listening non-stop to the Taylor Swift Reputation CD. I think it's been going on for like 2 or 3 weeks now, where I just cannot stop listening to it. I am so excited. I got tickets to go to her concert up in Philly with my best friend. And so I just want to memorize every single word from every single song. And oh, I cannot wait to go. And yeah, so here I am. Okay, so one of my goals was to not use any checklists either. I actually ended up using, I think, 2 of them. But it wasn't necessarily like, to do, you know, blank, gotta do all this. So I tried to make like my work to-dos, or like anything that I really had to do, like make it a little more fun. So I put the little circle that comes with the kit, and then I put Bean up there with orders. And this is just all the stuff from that thing that I'm not gonna say that we're possibly doing. But yeah, that. So that was all kind of the same thing. And so I used the checklist. I figured it was easier than using like 6, 1, 2, 3, or 5 stickers, like 5 quarter boxes to mark everything. And this, yeah, I knew that I wanted to put something down there in between the washi. And I think I should have done meals, because then I have one to cover every single day. And now there's like gaps in between because like I don't think I have a show on Tuesday, and so I really should have done meals, but then by the time I figured that out, I had already done dinners on the sidebar, and so I couldn't do meals again because how redundant. I already write my meals in like 4 different places. And so I just decided to go with TV shows, and it's whatever. I'll figure out a way to cover that up, like I think Tuesdays, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I don't have TV shows. So I'll have to find a way to cover that up. I'm not sure how yet. So if you have any ideas of how I should cover it up, let me know below. And I love this layering of stickers on top of the washi. Like, I don't know what it is, but I seriously just love it so much. I think it looks so pretty, and it adds, I was sort of going with like a white space spread here. Like, I was gonna try and do that, and you see that like up top where I just write things on paper, like no stickers. And then that washi sort of defeats the purpose of trying to go white space because it leaves no white space. So I'm gonna try to actually do a spread here in the future where I use both washi and then all of my stickers in a kit. See if I can do it. Ooh, that should be a challenge, to use every single sticker in the kit. I don't think I've ever done that. Like, if I'm looking at the stickers that I have left over, I have a bunch of icons. I have a couple half boxes, a couple quarter boxes. I have a bunch of TV shows, all of my meals. I have a bunch of leftover stickers that I'm not using, a bunch of headers. Like, seriously, so much. So I'm gonna try and do that here soon. And now I am doing Wednesday, and I tried for this week to use just the kit, and then I took out like a couple beans and then those Sanrio stickers. I think they're Sanrio stickers, but I'm not sure. Just because I didn't have a lot of time, and so I couldn't go through like my entire box of like hundreds of stickers, which I really need to clean up or find a better way to organize. And so here, this was another way to add a checklist without adding that full box and like crowding it too much. And oh my gosh, those subscription boxes need to go out so soon. Oh, I can't wait to use that kit. I just think it's so cute and just so like motivational. Like, get your shit together, meet your goals, keep working on them. So I'm so excited to use it because there's no reason why we need to just quit on our resolutions like a month in. So yeah, I can't wait to use it and for you guys to see that. And now here, just more to-dos, more work. And I love this quote. It just says, if you have the courage to begin, you have the courage to succeed. I almost forgot what the second part was, so I was like, come on, flip it over. But yeah, so I specifically chose this kit instead of the lumberjack one because of the things that we currently have going on, which are super exciting. And I just never thought that we would be able to do that. Like, it wasn't ever a thought to do that. I figured we'd move out of the house we live in now, which is my father-in-law's, so we pay like dirt cheap rent. And I just figured we'd go rent somewhere because buying a house is like, holy crap, that's like huge. Like, I don't know. My parents have always rented, and so I just never saw it as a possibility. And so the fact that everything is looking so good, it's scary and exciting, and I feel so, I don't like thankful. That's what it is. I feel so thankful, and I'm just in awe. Like, I still can't believe it. I'm so excited. I can't wait till it's a for sure thing and I can share with you guys pictures and details and everything. It's gonna be so exciting. And so yeah, that's exactly why I chose this kit. I'm sorry if you hear these noises. I have Bean sitting next to me, and it's about time for her to eat dinner. So I know she's getting a little frustrated that I'm still here working. But that's what gets her doggy food. Oh no, I said that word and she knows exactly what that word means, so yikes. But anyway, here this weekend, I don't necessarily think I'm going to take the entire weekend off, but a lot of the day Saturday is going to be seeing some models up north a little bit, and then Sunday we have a meeting. Bean, hold on. We have a meeting with the builder to discuss like options and stuff, and then we'll see. Maybe I'll make an announcement. I don't know. I'm so excited. And yeah, I gotta film my plan with me because waiting until Monday or Tuesday to plan and film sucks. I feel so unaccomplished if I wait that long to actually plan. And so yeah, look at that. It's so exciting. And this kit really does just look so pretty. I love the colors and I was so excited to use it, but I thought I would have to wait till like spring to use it because I have so many winter kits. I mean, you guys know, so many winter kits came out, so many shops had such beautiful ones, and I certainly splurged on a few, even though I had plenty that I wanted to use from our shop too. So I have enough for this year, next year, and probably the next one. But yeah, that's the end of my week with this pretty pastel-y kit. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I didn't ramble too much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!